Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am doing a Lush Barbie unboxing. I am super excited. I don't know much about the collection, but I thought I would unbox it with you. Yeah, just get into it and hopefully it will be fun. So here is the box it came in. I'm trying really hard not to show you my address, but it's a very cute Barbie-esque box. I mean, the hi-fi, love it. Good start, you know, it feels good. Anyway, let's unbox it and have a look, and yeah, I'm super excited to dive in. I love Lush. I normally only get Lush at Christmas as like a bit of a Christmas treat, so this is very exciting. So yeah, let's dive in and have a look. It was quite fun actually. When the post lady brought it to me, she goes, I'm really gonna miss having this box in my van. It made my van smell so good, which I just thought was such a sweet little thing. I don't know, it just goes to show a Lush delivery cheers everybody up. So here is this, and then let's look inside. We've got the Lush packaging. By the way, I don't know if you know, but these little Lush things, you can put them into water and they'll dissolve. They're made of like starch. So yeah, they're very wholesome for the planet. Anyway, let's have a look. So the first thing that we've got is the Barbie Pink Shampoo. This is a 275-gram bottle. It looks like it's got a shimmer, which is very cute. Let's have a smell. Oh my god. That smells like Snow Fairy. Oh, that smells so much like Snow Fairy to me. But like a bit more raspberry or something. But yeah, I haven't smelt Snow Fairy in such a while, so maybe I'm wrong. But that really reminds me of Snow Fairy. That's so fun. So that is the first thing. And then what else have we got? We have got Barbie Dream, and this is a sugar scrub. This was made by Gregory. Yeah, let's have a look. What does this one smell like? Oh, look at that. That is so pink. It's a sugar scrub. Oh, what does it smell like? Oh, I can't put my finger on it, but it's really good. It's quite Snow Fairy-esque, but a bit more powdery almondy-esque. Ooh, it's kind of like quite cherry-y. Oh, that's fun. I think I prefer the shampoo, but the sugar scrub is fun too. And then next, oh, now is this a soap or a massage bar? I'm going to have a quick look at the website. I think it's a massage bar because it feels quite melty. That's the Barbie Body Balm. So this is soft, sweet and sparkling skin. This is £10, by the way. This smells so good. My hands are really like warm and sweaty, so like it's melting onto my hands, which is a nice thing, but also when you're doing an unboxing it's a bit weird. I can't put my finger on what that smells like. Oh, it's really good. I'm gonna look at the website. I'm completely cheating here, by the way. So let's have a look. What does it say it smells like? Cocoa and shea butters, hydrating oils, chocolatey scented ruby cocoa liqueur. Ooh, that's interesting. Yeah, it does have a bit of a chocolatiness to it. Oh my god, it's literally just melting onto my hands. It feels really good. Do you know what I really wish I'd done? When I was pregnant, I wish I'd got the Lush body melts and like rub them on my stomach, because apparently that's a really nice thing to do when you're pregnant and you're getting like really stretched skin. And I completely forgot about it until after I'd had Mary. So that is a shame. But if you're pregnant, get yourself some of them, because apparently they work really well on pregnant skin. Okay, next thing is, this is so good. By the way, did you get enough of a flash of this? It's the body balm. It's a heart with a big B in the middle. Oh my god, it is literally melting all over my hands. I love it, but also it's like I'm slippery now. Anyway, next thing is so fun. It's a boom box. I love that. That is so cute and fun. Let's have a quick look at the website and see actually what it is, if it's a soap. Okay, this is a soap. It's limited edition. It's a Barbie boom box. Smells good. I can't quite put my finger on what it smells like. Sweet, obviously. Smells like pink, obviously. It all smells very pink. Oh, what does that smell like? I can't quite put my finger on it. It's quite fizzy. It's almost like strawberry starburst. Smells like strawberry, oh my god, I cannot speak. Smells like strawberry starburst. Oh my god, I literally can't speak because I'm too excited. And it's a rhubarb and custard scent. I would have gone strawberry starburst, 100%, but it smells really good. But yeah, technically it's rhubarb and custard. I'm kind of getting that though, it's a bit tangy. It's good though. Let's see what else I've got, or is that the full box? It might be the full box. I'm literally just getting this stuff all over me. Okay, I think that is the box. I think I've emptied it. I think that is everything. Let me have a final check. Yeah, that is everything. That is my unboxing. That is such a fun collection. Let's see what else is in the collection, just in case you were wondering. So we've got the Barbie Bee Bubble Bath Bomb. That is really cute. I don't know if you can see in the picture. That's really fun. We've got the body balm, which I've just opened. I hope you can see. There it is. Then what else have we got? The Barbie Pink Shampoo, which is what I opened at first. Let's see what it says it smells like. Fresh strawberry, lemon juice, and marshmallow. I still think it smells like Snow Fairy, just putting it out there. If you're a Snow Fairy fan and you want a hit, get it. We've got a little Barbie heel, which is really cute. That is a soap. We've got a bubble bar, which is the little Barbie car. What else have we got? We've got the boombox, which I showed you. We've got the Barbie handbag, which is adorable. And then we've got a Barbie jelly, which is a jelly mask, which I do not have. It doesn't look that exciting though. So I'm quite glad I didn't get that one because it's just a bit of a jelly, you know, when you're like, it's not a shape. It's not a shape. What's that about? Anyway, it's all out now. It's all on the Lush website. Oh, if I was to pick favourites, I really love the shampoo. This is so fun. I'm going to smell it again because it's just such a joy. Oh, I love that. I'm sorry, I don't care what anybody says. That smells like Snow Fairy to me. I love it. This is fun. That is fun. I really like that. But would I go for the soap or would I go for the massage bar? Oh, this does smell incredible. This smells so good. Oh, I would want both though, if I'm honest. And then the sugar scrub. I do love a sugar scrub. And it does smell incredible. Like it smells like cherries in a really good way. Oh, but I also would want a bubble bath. You know, when you're like, it's a tough call. I think if you're gonna buy something from the collection, I'd say go for the shampoo because it smells so good. I'd say go for the massage bar, and I would say probably go for a bubble bar as well. You know, the bath bombs, because, you know, it's Lush. You've got to get a bath bomb. Anyway, that is the collection. I hope you like it. I will link it below. I think it's super fun, super cute. I love what they've done with it. The shapes, the smells, it's all so fun. It's so enjoyable. Hell, even my post lady enjoyed carrying the box around in her van. Like, that is a true testament to how joyful the collection is. You don't even have to open it to get the scent and get the joy and wonder. So yeah, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Goodbye.